Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to add a description to the cut list. So here is one example I have opened in Solidworks. So this is the weldment that I have created. So actually this is my weldment, and why I have created this a standard profile means whenever if there is a standard profile, if you double click here to the normal extrudes, it will not work. Okay, so if I delete this, now I'll add a cut list. Now if you double click, it will work. Okay, so just in case, say my weldment also consists of a structure member, standard structure member, and I want to change this, so it's not possible here. Okay, so at that time you have to come here to the 3D and expand this cut list, and right click on this the standard structure member what you just created. Go to properties, and here you can see the description. Okay, so this is your other extrudes. Just click here and add the same description column. Okay, and give whatever the name you need. Copy this and I'll paste it. I'll give OK. Now if I come to my 2D, so the description is updated. Hope this helps. Thank you guys.